Good morning, students. Continuation of chapter Changing Trends in Occupation. In previous class, we discussed occupations of villagers, migration of farmers to cities and town, and after that we discussed about the mechanization of agriculture. Today, we will discuss about the Operation Flood, that is also known as White Revolution. Let's proceed ahead. First, we will know what is White Revolution. The White Revolution is also known as Operation Flood. It was launched in 1970s by Dr. Verghese Kurian. It was an initiative by India's National Dairy Development Board. It is also known as INDDB and was the world's biggest dairy development program. It transformed India from a milk deficient nation into the world's largest milk producer. Now we will discuss why it has started. In earlier times, the farmer and his family looked after the milk giving animals on their farm. The quality of animals and their feed were not very good. As a result, the production of milk was low. If the animals will not take a good food, the quality and quantity both will not good and sufficient. As a result, the production of milk was low. Moreover, poor supply system created a scarcity of milk in both the rural and urban areas. So, it was felt to have White Revolution. This credit goes to Dr. Verghese Kurian. He was the father of White Revolution or Operation Flood in dairy farming at Anand in Gujarat. It was related to milk production, processing, marketing, exports and distribution of byproducts of milk like butter, cheese, ghee, skimmed milk powder, baby food, ice cream, condensed milk, yogurt, curd and lassi. The cooperatives worked so efficiently that soon India, a milk deficient country, became the largest producer of milk in the world. And in this way, India became the largest producer of milk in the world. Dr. Kurian created a national milk grid that linked all milk producers with consumers in over 700 towns and cities. It reduced seasonal and regional price variation. The cooperatives were given the responsibility of collection and supply of milk and milk products. The success of White Revolution involved many professionals like students. In this way you can see after the flood revolution or the Operation Flood, many types of occupations like veterinarians, scientists, dairy farming, machinery manufacturers and dairy cooperatives consultants came into existence, and with the professional also non-professionals like dairy farmers, truck drivers, record keepers also came into existence. Students, do you know The White Revolution is the achievement of Kaira district in Gujarat. Milk producers and cooperatives union which owns and operates the Amul dairy. Amul means priceless dairy. Now, through some questions, we will recapitulate today's topic. First question is, who is the father of White Revolution? Answer is Dr. Verghese Kurian was the father of White Revolution. Second question is, what is the other name of White Revolution? Answer is White Revolution is also known as Operation Flood. Next question, in which state White Revolution started? Answer is White Revolution started in Gujarat. Again I repeat answer, White Revolution started in Gujarat. Next question, what are the important byproduct of milk? Answer is the important byproduct of milk are butter, cheese, ghee, skimmed milk powder, baby food, ice cream, condensed milk, yogurt, curd and lassi. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.